Welcome to Top Rated Crew, the YouTube channel that helps you make the best online shopping. Today, we'll be looking at the 3 best cleaning kits for your ride on Amazon. Stay until the end of the video if you want to see which product we recommend is the best. Subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on our latest videos. The third position goes to the 62-foot car wash brush Wandtolf. You can find the links for each product in the video description. The Wandtolf 62-foot car wash brush is a versatile cleaning tool designed to make washing your vehicle easier and more efficient. It features a long, adjustable handle that extends up to 62 inches, allowing you to clean hard-to-reach areas like roofs and windshields without needing a ladder. The brush head has soft, scratch-free microfiber bristles, ideal for removing dirt and grime while protecting your car's paint. It also comes with a detachable squeegee for streak-free windows and a 180-degree swivel design for flexibility. This lightweight and easy-to-use brush is perfect for cars, trucks, SUVs, and RVs. Number 2 is the Chemical Guys HOL 357 Clean and Shine Car Wash Starter Kit. The Chemical Guys HOL 357 Clean and Shine Car Wash Starter Kit is an excellent choice for anyone looking to maintain their vehicle's shine. This comprehensive kit includes a high-quality car wash soap, a microfiber wash mitt, and a foam cannon for a thick, luxurious lather. The soap is pH balanced, ensuring it won't strip wax or sealant. The included microfiber mitt gently lifts dirt while protecting your car's paint. With everything you need to achieve a clean and shiny finish, this starter kit is perfect for both beginners and experienced car enthusiasts. And to finish, the first position goes to the Armor All Car Care Kit 2.03 pounds. The Armor All Car Care Kit is a convenient solution for maintaining your vehicle's appearance. Weighing 2.03 pounds, this kit includes essential products like an all-purpose cleaner, protectant, and tire foam. The cleaner effectively removes dirt and grime from various surfaces, while the protectant helps restore and maintain a like-new finish, preventing fading and cracking. The tire foam adds shine and protects your tires from harmful elements. This comprehensive kit is perfect for car enthusiasts and casual users alike, making it easy to keep your vehicle looking its best. We hope you enjoyed our top 3 cleaning kits for your ride, that you can buy online through Amazon and at the best prices. Remember that you'll find the links to buy these products in the video description. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss our updates. See you in the next video.